Today, as we gather in unity and celebration, as we mark a significant milestone in the history of our beloved mountain province. This special occasion, the 50th foundation anniversary, invites us to reflect not only on our past, but also on the bright future that lies ahead. As we stand here together, we honor the rich tapestry of traditions that define our mountain province. Is not just a place on the map. It is a vibrant community interlaced together by the stories, struggles, and triumphs of our ancestors. It is a land for the spirit of the brave. It's not merely a concept, but a living reality expressed through our ritual dance and the enduring practice of our Inayan culture. Today, as we celebrate our heritage, we pay honor to the brave souls who fought fearlessly to preserve our customs and tradition. That when our ancestors fight and protect our land and territory, that even they cross the bridge between mortality and eternity. The ritual dance of the brave is more than just a performance. It is a profound expression of our history. It echoes the heartbeat of our ancestors, reminding us of the strength that flows through our veins. These dances are not just art forms. They are a reminder of our roots, instilling in us a sense of pride and purpose. Edwani recognize ng Imuntang Yusa, not locally, nationally, but to international also. It is our pride and honor na most sinang regional directors ng CARD at Magapu is ng Imuntang Yusa. So makakansawan na si Human and Progress ay kakananan ayaw kapay na ikanyo yung kananiman man magsir tinyangin manunod na tatalaki ng Imuntang Yusa. With the guidance of our Inayan culture, adi kami mabain ay mag-recommend sa tabi na ikailan tako ay mabalin ay head is ng Pasakay Departamento. So ma-challenge tako, yaan tako si Bagbaga is ng sumarsabulo. Tanda tako tapno wada ay i-follow na kung anak da sa Distilida. Inayan culture which emphasizes respect and communal unity teach us invaluable lessons about harmony and collaboration. It is a guiding principle that has allowed to thrive as a community. The practice of Inayan encourages us to care for one another, to lift each other up, and to work hand in hand in the pursuit of global goals. This bond of solidarity has been the cornerstone of our success, enabling us to overcome challenges and celebrate victories together. As we reflect on our journey over the past 50 years, which has been created on Friday, April 7, 1967, the new mountain province has been born. We cannot ignore the trials we have faced. Our province has weathered storm, both literal and emblematic. However, it is through the challenges that we have discovered our true strength. The spirit of the mountain province is unyielding, and it is with the spirit that we have reached greater heights. We have transformed adversity into opportunity, and we continue to rise, fueled by the passion and determination of our people. In our tracking of progress, we must never forget the lesson of our past. We stand on the shoulders of giants who came before us, and it's our responsibility to ensure that their legacy endures. As we forge ahead into the future, let us carry with us the value that was shaped within us. Let us honor our traditions while embracing innovation. The world is changing rapidly, and we must adapt to new realities while remaining grounded on our cultural roots. This anniversary is not just a time for reflection. It's a call to action for each and every one of us. Let us strive to be ambassadors of our culture, sharing our stories, our dances, and our values with the world. Let us educate the younger generation about the significance of our tradition, ensuring that they do feel the pride that comes from belonging to such a rich heritage. Moreover, let us harness the spirit of collaboration that Ginayan embodies. Together, we can work towards sustainable development that respects our environment and promotes the well-being of our community. Let us build bridges between tradition and modernity, ensuring that progress does not come at the expense of our identity. As we stand at this crossroads, we must also look to the future with a hope and determination. The next chapter of our story is unwritten, and it is up to us to shape it. Let us dream big and aspire to reach greater heights, whether in the education, agriculture, tourism, or any other field. Let us be pioneers to forge a new path while honoring the legacy of those who came before us. In closing, I urge you to take pride in our shared heritage. Let us celebrate the beauty of Mountain Province and the spirit of the brave that resides within us. Together, we will continue to honor our traditions while striving for excellence. May the next 58 years to be filled with growth, unity, and prosperity for Mountain Province. Let us rise together hand in hand as we embark on this journey towards a brighter future. And to our officials, our congressman, our governor, vice governor, the board members, the 10 municipal mayors, barangay officials, and to all public servants of Mountain Province. Daka-daka ay iyaman kita kayo ay manginadakulo sa ganun ay probinsya tako. Ipapasyo ay magserbi, ingana sa kayo para silang kakailyan tako. Tapos si ulong di ako at wanagan kami sa pagsalmingan ay sumaa ay magserbi ako silang probinsya tako ay binutang yusa. Kawis ay Mountain Province, ang Bianti Cordillera, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Salamat.